They start the firework behind already, right? Just now I saw the yellow color. Oh, jellyfish again.
Somebody is saying, woo!
Yeah.
Oh, gee, that is Gardens by the Bay. Gardens by the Bay tree.
Yeah.
It's so amazing.
I at least can recommend. Can recognize.
I can hear the people from next door.
Yeah, upstairs. I think.
Yeah, it's definitely upstairs. Wow, this is so cool.
But we are here is a really right place.
That is a dog with a circle on his face.
Yeah.
So funny.
Funny or cute.
I think that's funny and cute. Both at the same time.
Look like UFO the one.
What do you mean?
After they turn. Oh, look nice.
UFO don't exist, but yeah, this is so cool. And like, the glitter is moving with the jellyfish or something, right? It's a circle. No, that looks
Lollipop.
like cinnamon. Cinnamon roll.
Uh-huh.
Cinnamon in a roll.
Where your daddy? Only the jellyfish always
Wait, it's
there.
on the building. It's on the building too.
Uh-huh.
Glitter is on the building.
Mm.
Maybe there is a lot of people there.
Yeah.
Hey! Wow, this is gorgeous. Wow. Pink, blue, and white are very pretty colors. Oh, now they added purple. I love purple. So here, they have 2026. I can read.
Yes.
Is the opposite. 2026. And those are some fake fireworks.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so amazing.
Amazing technology in Singapore.
I should post this on YouTube. Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
They're even laughing like